Hi guys, and welcome to part 1 of how to edit using your phone. So in today's video, I will go over some editing tips and an app that will help you edit very easily on your phone by adding intros, text, and other options. So what we'll need to do is download Power Director. Now I already have Power Director downloaded, but you can go ahead and download that, and it's absolutely free. It is free to use, but they will leave a watermark on your video. If you want to buy the full version, it's around $5. It's a one-time payment, super cheap, but I use it for free because I am going to be using my camera soon and doing all my editing on my computer. So I didn't really see a sense in spending $5 on it if I wouldn't be using it as much. But I don't know, I may cave in and buy it. It is pretty cheap, so anyways, it is one of your options. So let's go ahead and open up Power Director. And this app is so simple, guys. It's very easy to use. They have tutorials and all sorts of things. So when you open it up, it should look something like this. I obviously have some projects open there, but you want to click on New Project in the middle. And then you're going to name it whatever you like. Pick your ratio that you want. And we're going to click OK. Now it's going to load up all of our videos. You can also move over and look at all your pictures and music. So we want to go to our camera and we want to find the video that we want to edit. Now I did make a sample video for this particular tutorial. And we're going to go into our camera and we're going to open it up. So to open it up, you just click once and then press the plus symbol and it'll add it down to your timeline. So after you add it to your timeline, you can add multiple clips. So say I wanted another clip from another video. I could also add another one in. You can also click on it to delete it. It will highlight green. There you go. You can delete it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by making an intro. A lot of you may not know how to do that, and mine isn't the best, but it's a little something. So to make an intro, you could film it and actually be talking in your intro and then add your text or whatever. But for this video, we're just going to go with a simple intro, which is a color board intro. So what that is just a plain background. You can add your text and your little picture or whatever on it. It's just something simple, so it kind of gives your channel a little oomph or something. So what you want to do to get that color board on there is you want to go to the icon that looks like it has a music note and a little film strip, which is right there. And then you want to go to color board, and it's down at the bottom with the paint bucket. And then you can choose from different colors. For this video, let's just go with this blue. And as you see, it moved it to the end of the video, which we want our intro to be in the beginning. So what we're going to do is hold it down and drag it all the way to the front. So after we do that, we're going to hit the back button. May have to hit it twice or even 3 times just to get all the little tutorials that pop up off the screen. So as you can see, we have our little board in front, which is our color board, and that is just a blank color right now. So if I played this video for you right now, you would just see this blank color and then the video. So let's do that. As you can see, you saw the blue board and then you will see the video. It kind of lags a little bit sometimes, so don't worry.
This is a test video.
So there we go. We're going to pause that and we're going to come back to the beginning there. So we want to add something like text or a photo or something to kind of give our intro a little something extra. So we're going to hit the Layers tab, which is the one that looks like 2 sheets of paper. And it's going to pop up for a title, a sticker, a video, or an image. And we can add a title. So we're going to click Title. And you have tons of different title options. So we're going to go with the flocking. And you can play it to see what it does. So that's how it's going to look. And we're going to hit that plus button. And And there we go. It's there and ready to go. We just want to click on it to edit it. We just type in what we want. So we can write our channel name, like so. Hit the check mark. Now we want to change like the color of the text and things like that. We could go back into it and press the pencil, which will pop up like your fonts and things. So let's pick a font. And I like to have mine really girly, but you don't have to do that. So let's go with this one. Now we can make it a little bigger if we want. We can change the color. Let's do pink. And we can also do a border, like so. And we can do a shadow. So you have to turn it on there. And you can do like a little shadow behind it. It's really cool. There's so many options here. So let's move this up, like so. And you can just use your little timeline and scroll to see how it's going to look. You don't have to play it. You can kind of scroll it. So I like to scroll it to where it is already up, and you can kind of see where it's at. Okay, so we have our title and our intro. Now let's add a picture. Now you can go online and search for PNGs. What a PNG is something that has a transparent background. So that makes sure that your blue background that we're using now will be seen through. So you want to make sure you search for royalty-free or copyright-free images because you don't want to get a copyright strike for using someone else's work. So what we're going to do is we're going to add an image that we downloaded. And if you need help learning how to download PNGs, let me know and I will do a tutorial. So we want to go to the little 2 pieces of paper icon, which we call a layers icon, and we're going to go down to where it says image. And I have a downloads folder, so that's all my downloaded images from my phone. We're going to click on that, and you can just pick whatever you want out of your phone. And I'm going to go with that rainbow llama. So we add the plus sign there. We're going to back out, and we can click on it to see where the llama is. Now, we need to move these little bars up more, like so that it's only in the intro portion. Now go ahead and move it to where you can see where it's at. Click on it and then adjust it as you like so. I think it looks cute right there. And then you're done with that. So let's go ahead and play what we have so far. So that's what our intro looks like so far. So I'm satisfied with it, but I do want something that converts my video into my intro, or my intro into my video, excuse me. So I want one of these. It's called a transition. Now what a transition does is it transitions your intro into your video with ease. So say it doesn't just turn off and flip to the other screen. So like you can make it blur. So let's play that. So it blurs into the other video or other image. And you could do other ones as well. So you want to pick a transition. So you want to click and select that little box in between the 2 clips and go ahead and pick whichever transition you want. I like the cross transition, so I'm going to go with that. And I'll show you what it looks like, because previously when you've seen it, it just went from the blue screen with our intro straight to the video, and there was no transition, so it wasn't really smooth. So let's watch it now with the transition. As you can see, it fades out. I like it. It's not exactly what I want. So what I need to do is I need to make sure that this llama goes back a little bit because he is fading into my video and Erica's life. So let's try this again. And you do have to work with it, tweak it a little bit to your liking. So see, that was a little more smooth. So we're going to go with that one. Now, if we want to add music to our video or our intro, we could do so here. Now, to add music, we're just going to add music to our intro right now, and I will go into more editing detail in our next 2 videos because I don't want to pile you guys full of information that you won't remember. So let's go ahead and go to the little layer icon. Okay, I'm sorry, the one above it, which is the music video icon. So we're going to click the music note, and we're going to click music, and this is music that comes with the app that is royalty free. You can download your own music and put it into this app. Just make sure, guys, it's royalty free and it's not something you hear on the radio, because 90% of the time, if it's something you hear on the radio, it's not going to be royalty free. You want to make sure that your music is good for YouTube. You do not want to get kicked off of YouTube or anything like that, get your channel shut down for some music. So just a warning, but these are okay. These are all good. So let's pick one that we like. So I like that one. So you just select it and press the plus symbol to add it in. Right, let's press the back button so we can get back to our screen here. And we want to click down here. You'll see the music track. And as you can see on that left-hand side under where our timeline is, you can see our layers that we added, our music, and all that. So we want to just drag this over and we want to slide it down because we don't want our music all the way past our video, because it will continue playing your video and music. So I trimmed mine down to just the intro. So let's go ahead and hear what it sounds like and looks like. So I like that, and I want my music to kind of fade in and out. Right now it just starts up like so. So let's go ahead and click on the music down there, highlight it, go to the little pencil icon and click volume. Now we can turn the volume down a little bit if we like, and we also can fade it in and fade it out. Press OK. Now let's see how it works. So I love that. I think it came out good. So this is going to be the end of this particular tutorial. Now I will be showing you in another video how to do the other parts of this tutorial. Now it will automatically save all your work. Don't worry, if you back out or your phone dies, it does save it. So I will go ahead with part 2, and we will go into more editing tips using that app. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helped. If you have any questions, if you didn't understand something, please let me know and I will make another video. But until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.